Jai Hind to all. In our last video, we discussed what is linear inequality and how to solve the linear inequalities in one variable and two variable also. Today we discuss some extra questions based on that topic. That is some word problems based on that topic. Actually, this chapter is a base of our second year chapter, linear programming problem. So try to practice the problems 2 or 3 times for getting a better idea. Okay. Now we start the class. In our last video, we discussed what is linear inequality and how to solve linear inequalities in single variable, and how to solve linear inequalities in two variable, where we discuss how solution for finding graphic solution. Okay. Here we discuss 5 or 6 questions. Now we discuss a more problem based on graphical solution. 2 or more questions we will discuss. Our next question is, solve 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 60, y greater than or equal to 2x, x greater than or equal to 3, x comma y greater than or equal to 0. Actually, it's a very simple question, but there is some confusion for making a table using this inequality, that is y greater than or equal to x. So we will discuss this question. First of all, we form a table based on this inequality. That is 4x plus 3y is equal to 60. First we put x is equal to 0, 3y equal to 60 and y is equal to, we get answer 20. Then put y is equal to 0, 4x equal to 60 and x is equal to 60 by 4, we get answer 15. Now y greater than or equal to x. Y greater than or equal to 2x mean we set our x term is on the first left side, that is 2x is less than or equal to y, or 2x minus y is less than or equal to 0. That means we form a table based on 2x minus y is equal to 0. So we form a table. First we put x is equal to 0 and therefore 0 minus y equal to 0 and y is also equal to 0. Then we put y equal to 0, again we get x is equal to 0. That means same point is repeated. So using one point, a line cannot be formed. നമ്മൾ ഒരു പോയിന്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്കൊരു ലൈൻ ഡയറക്റ്റായിട്ട് ഫോം ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല. So we want 2 points. In this case we change y equal to 0 ക്ക് വരെ നമുക്ക് 1 or 2 substitute ചെയ്യാം. When we put y equal to 0, we get again x is equal to. So here we put y equal to 1, 2, 3, any real number. I take y is equal to 2. And I take y is equal to 2. Therefore, we get answer 2x minus 2 is equal to 0. And therefore, 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 2, we get answer 1. That is, our point is 1. If we take y is equal to 1, we get a fraction value of x. So we take y is equal to 2. You take any number, no problem. You get a fraction, it will be very difficult to plot the points on the graph. So you take y is equal to 2. And therefore x is equal to, we get answer 1. Now we plot the points on the graph. We get solution of these 4 inequalities. Also given x greater than or equal to 0. X greater than or equal to 3 ക്ക് നമുക്കൊരു table യൂസ് ഇല്ല. Direct we plot the x y greater than or equal to 0. 3. Sorry, x greater than or equal to 3. First of all, from a y axis, then x. Now plot the points. Here the maximum value is 20 and minimum value 0, 1, 0. Okay. And so here you take points 0, 20. Direct plotting is very difficult. So 0, you take it to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Enough. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Our first point is 0, 20. It's a point. 15, 14, 15 lies between 14 and 16 is 6 points. By joining these 2 points, actually given inequality is equal to inequality, so join these 2 points is a line, using line. Otherwise, if suppose given 4x plus 3y less than 60, then we join these 2 lines using dotted line. This is already equal to line, so directly we join these lines. Okay, here there is 2 half plane, upper half plane and lower half plane. We check using origin. That is a simple way for finding the solution part of this inequality. Here the origin lies in the lower half plane, so you select origin. Origin means origin is 0, 0. We take the points 0, 0 and substitute the origin to the given inequality. Therefore we get answer 4 into 0 plus 3 into 0, that is 0 plus 0, 0 less than 60. Already 0 is less than 60, that means this inequality satisfies the origin. So we our shading portion is on the lower half. So we shade the lower half. Otherwise we note the arrow mark when we find the common region. It's very difficult. So just we shade this portion. This is our first inequality shading region. It is 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 60. The line represents 4x plus 3y equal to 60 and less than shading. This region represents 4x plus 3y less than or 60. Combined form 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 60 graph is. Now we plot a second line for y greater than or equal to 2x. That means 2x minus y less than or equal to 0. First of all we put take y 0, 0. Then 1, 2. X is 1 here, 2 here. They join these 2 points. Again we get is also equal to line. So by joining these 2 points we get second line. That is a y greater than or equal to 2x graph. That is 2x minus y less than or equal to 0 graph. So sorry, it's equal to 2x minus y equal to 0 graph. Now we find the region common to that satisfies the given inequality. There is 2 parts, upper half plane and lower half plane. Here, but here origin substitution is possible. Origin when we put origin, when we put x is equal to 0 and y equal to 0, we get answer 0, which is less than 0, greater than 0 is not here. So you take any other points other than origin. Origin allatha point consider here on the upper half plane or lower half plane. That is not a problem. I'll take a point on lower half plane. Suppose you take here this point. The coordinate of this point is 2, 0. Then we put a 2, 0 to the given inequality. When we put a 2, 0 to the given inequality, we get answer. When we put a 2, 0 to the given inequality, that is x is equal to 2 and y equal to 0, that is 2 into 2, 4 minus 0 is less than or equal to 0, that is 4 less than or equal to 0. And equal to is not considered because equal to is represent that line, that is 4 less than 0. 4 is not less than 0. That means 2, 0 is a point lower half plane, is a point below the line which does not satisfy the given inequality. Okay, whatever point upper half plane or lower half plane points, we'll take a point below the lower line, lower half plane, 2, 0 or 4 any point. But 2, 0 is not satisfy the given inequality. 2, 0 substituting by inequality satisfy because when we put x equal to and y equal to 0, we get answer 4 less than 0 is not possible. So actually 2, 0 is not satisfy the given inequality. So we consider the upper half plane is our solution part. So we our shading region is on the upper half plane. which is our shading region. Okay, this is our shading region. Now we plot one more inequality, that is x greater than or equal to 0. For finding x greater than or equal to 0, is given only one variable x equal to 3. First of all, you plot x is equal to 3. X is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. X equal to 3 means the point is lies on this point. X is equal to 3, lies between 2 and 4, 3. Now using x is equal to 3, using a line, x equal to 3 is a straight line. You already know x is equal to 3 is a line. That line is parallel to y axis. X is equal to 3 is a line, that line is parallel to y axis. Sorry, x is equal to 3 is a line parallel to y axis, which is perpendicular to x axis. X is equal to 3. And we want x greater than or equal to 3. You know, x is greater than is on the right side part, x is left side part, x values are less than values. So we shaded on the right side region. Okay, that means these three inequalities having common region is in this right is a triangular region. Okay, also given x greater than 0, y greater than 0 means that means the first quadrant. The three inequalities having common region is also lies in the first quadrant. So our common region is x greater than 0, y greater than 0 is also in the first quadrant. ഈ ത്രീ ഇൻഇക്വാളിറ്റിയും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സൊല്യൂഷൻ പാർട്ടും ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വാർട്ടറിലായതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ our common solution part is this triangular region. Our common solution part is this triangular region, which is the common solution part. This is the common solution of these four inequalities. That is a 4x plus 3y less than or equal to 60, y greater than or equal to 2x, x greater than or equal to 3. Also x greater than 0, y greater than means first quadrant. That's all. X greater than 0, y greater than means first quadrant. Already using three these inequalities we get a common solution which is lies on the first quadrant. അപ്പോൾ ഈ മൂന്ന് ഇൻഇക്വാലിറ്റിയും കോമൺ സൊല്യൂഷനും ഫസ്റ്റ് ക്വാർട്ടറിൽ ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ഈ കോമൺ സൊല്യൂഷൻ ആയിട്ട് ഈ മൂന്ന് ഇൻഇക്വാലിറ്റി ഈ ട്രയാങ്കുലർ റീജിയനാണ് കോമൺ റീജിയനായിട്ട് ഫോം ചെയ്യപ്പെടുക. ഓക്കെ, that's all. Now discuss one more question similar to this type of problem. The next question is x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. X plus y greater than or equal to 1. X minus y less than or equal to 0. X greater than 0 and y greater than 0 or equal to 0. Also 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 inequalities are there. Actually, this is our last question of our NCERT test. Okay, now x plus 2y less than or equal to 10. First of all, we form a table based on x plus 2y is equal to 10. Here is x and y. First we put x is equal to 0 and therefore 2y equal to 10 and y equal to 10 by 2. Answer is 5. Y equal to 0, x is equal to 10. Now the second table is x plus y is equal to 1. X plus y equal to 1. Also we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to, we get answer 1, and y equal to 0, x is equal to, we get answer 1. And our third table is x minus y is equal to 0. X and y, first we put x is equal to 0 and therefore y is equal to, again we get answer 0. But when y is equal to 0, x is also we get to 0. Using one point as line formation is not possible. So we take any other point that is other than 0, that is 1 or 2. I take y is equal to 2. When we take y equal to 2, we get answer x minus 2 is equal to 0 and x is equal to, we get answer 2. Okay, 2. ഇപ്പോൾ എക്സ് വൈ 0 വരുന്ന കേസുകളിൽ ഒറ്റ പോയിന്റ് യൂസ് ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് ലൈൻ ഫോം ചെയ്യാൻ പോസിബിൾ അല്ല. സോ അത്തരം കേസുകളിൽ നമ്മൾ വൈക്ക് മറ്റൊരു പോയിന്റ് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യുക. എനി പോയിന്റ് വൈ ഈക്വൽ ടു 1 ഈസ് ഓക്കെ അഫോർഡബിൾ ആണ്. പക്ഷേ നമുക്ക് വൈ ഈക്വൽ ടു ആകുമ്പോൾ കുറച്ചുകൂടി പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ഗ്രാഫ് ഫോം ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. സോ ടേക്ക് എനി പോയിന്റ്, ഐ ടേക്ക് വൈ ഈക്വൽ ടു 2 ഇഷ്ടമില്ലെങ്കിൽ 1 സെലക്ട് ചെയ്യാം, ഇറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് പ്രോബ്ലം. Okay, using these three tables we form a graph. This is the origin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, you form maximum 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sorry, so 10 is a main point. Okay, 0, 5, x 0, x is a 10, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, 0, 5, x 0, y 5. Okay, 10, 0, x 10, y 0. By joining these 2 points, actually it's equal to inequality. So by joining these 2 points using a line, straight line, if the suppose given inequality is x plus 2y less than 10, we plot these points using dotted line. It's already discussed in our last videos. Now check the solution part is upper part or lower part. Here the origin is on the lower part and we substitute origin to the given inequality, we get answer, x is 0, y 0. 0 is less than 10, already satisfied. So our shading portion is on the lower half. Okay. Okay, next is 0, 1, x 0, y 1, 1, 0. By joining these 2 points, you get another line. Actually, there is a space, as not 1 centimeter is correct space. Okay, it's x plus y is equal to 1 graph, is x plus 2y equal to 10 graph. Okay, here there also exists lower half and upper part. Here the origin is on the lower part. Now we substitute origin to the given inequality, we get answer 0 plus 0 is greater than 1. That is 0 is greater than 1, it's not correct. And 0 is greater than 1, but that is origin satisfying. So our shading portion is on the upper half. Shading portion is on the upper half plane. Which is our common solution part. Okay, and next is 0, 0, that is the origin. 2, 2, x2, y2, x2, y2 approximately the point. By joining these 2 points, we get a line which is x minus y equal to, which is x minus y is equal to 0 graph. Here also there is upper half plane and lower half plane, but origin we could consider because the line is passing through that origin. So we can say any other point other than origin. So we can say on the lower half plane I can say 1, 0 is the any point. 1, 0 നമുക്ക് inequality substitute here. When we put x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0, 1, 0, we put x is equal to 1 and y equal to 0, that is less than 0, that is 1 less than 0 is not right. 1 less than 0 correct satisfy. So we consider the solution part is on the upper half plane. Lower half plane point inequality satisfy. So we consider the shading portion is on the upper plane. which is the common. Here the common part is also x greater than 0, y greater than means 0 means first quadrant. First quadrant means x positive, y positive വരുന്ന ഭാഗം. ഈ three inequality common solution ആയിട്ട് ഈ ഒരു region full cover ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. Common solution ആയിട്ട് second quadrant include ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. But first quadrant portion മാത്രം നമ്മൾ consider ചെയ്താൽ മതി. അപ്പോൾ that means which is the common solution part. First quadrant three inequality common ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന solution part, which is the common solution part. Actually, it's a quadrilateral form. Actually, it's a quadrilateral form. It's a common solution part. Okay, it's a quadrilateral form. Okay, this is a common solution of these five inequalities. X plus 2y less than or equal to 10, x plus y greater than or equal to 1, x minus y less than or equal to 0, x greater than or equal to 0, and y greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Okay, this type of problems now to form like this type of questions. Now we'll discuss some special problem based on this topic. I mean linear inequalities. Some miscellaneous questions will be discussed. First of all, we discuss some miscellaneous questions based on linear inequalities. Okay. Next, first question is solve the inequalities. Solve the inequalities 5x. This is special problems. Special problems. Our first question is solve the solution 5x plus y greater than minus 24. 5x plus 1 greater than minus 24, comma 5x minus 1. 5x minus 1 is less than 24 and represent it on a number line. Already a single linear inequalities in a single variable. How to solve linear inequality in single variable is already you know. Here single variable in linear inequality two solutions, I mean two inequalities already given. But two solution part this two solution part same number line represent. That's the question. So single inequality, I mean variable inequality direct solve representation on a number line already first videos discuss it. Here x variable two inequalities solve with these two inequalities plotted on the same number line. How? First of all, you solve these two inequalities. That is 5x greater than minus 24 minus 1. That is 5x greater than minus 25. And therefore, x greater than minus 25 by 5, we get answer minus 5. It's the first part solution. Now, second is 5x less than 24 plus 1. And therefore 5x less than 25, x is less than 25 divided by 5, we get answer x less than 5. Now solving these two inequality, we get a two solution part. The first part is x greater than minus 5 and second part is x less than 5. Now we plot these two inequalities on a same number line. So first of all, we form a number line. Here we consider the least value minus 6, then minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Okay. Now we plot the points. X greater than minus 5. X greater than minus 5 means we form a line above the number line represent x greater than minus 5. x greater than minus 5. That is x greater than minus 5 means it is okay, x greater than minus 5. A dotted line, using dotted line we form x greater than minus 5. Okay, so minus 5 കഴിഞ്ഞുള്ളൊരു റൈറ്റ് സൈഡ് പാർട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഡോട്ടഡ് ലൈൻസ് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം. Then x less than 5, x is equal to 5 is this point. Now x less than 5 means the lower left side part of the x equal to 5. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ 5ൻ്റെ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡ് പാർട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഇതേപോലൊരു ഡോട്ടഡ് ലൈൻ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് റഫായിട്ടൊന്ന് പ്ലോട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ, കണ്ടിന്യൂ പോകും. Now we form a common part of these two inequality. ഈ രണ്ട് ഇൻഇക്വാലിറ്റിയിൽ ഒരു കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് ഒരു സൊല്യൂഷൻ പാർട്ട് കിട്ടുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ, ആ ഒരു കോമൺ പാർട്ട് നമ്മൾ നമ്പർ ലൈനിൽ ഡാർക്കൻ ചെയ്യുക. Okay, which is a common solution of these two inequalities. Then here given already s greater than 5, minus 5 are. S greater than minus 5 means minus 5 consider ചെയ്യുന്നില്ലതാണ്. സോ ഇവിടെ ഒരു ബ്ലാങ്ക് ആയിട്ട് ഒരു റൗണ്ട് കൊടുക്കുക. ആൾസോ എക്സ് ലെസ് ദാൻ 5 ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് ബ്ലാങ്ക് ആയിട്ട് ഒരു റൗണ്ട് കൊടുക്കുക. കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്തിരുന്നെങ്കിൽ ഇവിടെ ഡാർക്കൻ ചെയ്തുള്ള ബബിൾ ഫോം ചെയ്യുമായിരുന്നു. Here x greater than minus 5 means that point is not considered. So the solution part is lying between minus 5 and plus 5. That the common solution of these two inequalities is on the lies between minus 5 and plus 5. Okay, clear? Okay, we will discuss one more question similar to this type. 3x minus 7. 3x minus 7. 3x minus 7 greater than 2 into x minus 6. Second inequality is 6 minus x greater than 11 minus 2x. Solve these two inequalities and represent it on a number line. First of all, we solve these two inequalities. That is 3x minus 7 greater than 2x minus 12. Therefore, 3x minus 2x greater than minus 12 plus 7. Minus sign is on the right side. 3x minus 2x is x, which is greater than minus 12 plus 7 is minus 5. X greater than minus 5. Okay, x greater than minus 5. And next is 6 minus x. Here minus x is on the left side part. Minus 12x, you take minus 12x on the left side, we get answer plus 12x. Minus x plus 12x greater than 11 minus 6. 2x minus x is x greater than 11 minus 6 is also what is 11 minus 6? 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. It is x greater than 5. There exists two part solution, x greater than minus 5 and x less than 5. Now we plot these two inequalities on the same graph. Okay. Okay. So we take minus 6 minus 5 is minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 etc. Here first we form the line is x greater than minus 5. Here you know x greater than minus 5 is on this place. This x equal to minus 5. First we form a line greater than minus 5 part. ആ ലൈൻ നമ്മൾ ഈ നമ്പർ ലൈനിൽ കൂടെ ഫ്ലോട്ട് ചെയ്ത് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ഒരു ഡോട്ടർ ലൈനിട്ട് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. എക്സ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ മൈനസ് 5. ദിസ് എക്സ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ മൈനസ് 5 പാർട്ട്. ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ക്ലിയർ ആയിട്ടൊരു ഐഡിയ കിട്ടുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി, കാരണം ശരിക്കും നമുക്ക് രണ്ടിലെയും കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള സൊല്യൂഷൻ പാർട്ടാണ് അതിൻ്റെ കോമൺ സൊല്യൂഷനായിട്ട് വരുന്നത്. ഈ ഡാർക്കൻ ചെയ്യുന്ന പാർട്ടാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ആക്ച്വൽ സൊല്യൂഷൻ പാർട്ട്. സോ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു ഐഡിയ കിട്ടുന്നതിന് വേണ്ടി എക്സ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ മൈനസ് 5 എന്നുമ്പോൾ ഈ ഒരു പാർട്ട് സൊല്യൂഷൻ. ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ മൈനസ് 5 മീൻ മൈനസ് 5 കഴിഞ്ഞുള്ള കംപ്ലീറ്റ് റിയൽ നമ്പേഴ്സും ഇൻക്ലൂഡ് ചെയ്യും. then x less than also x greater than 5. x greater than 5 means 5 കഴിഞ്ഞു 5 ആണ് ഇവിടെ വരുന്നത്. 5 കഴിഞ്ഞുള്ള പാർട്ട് സൊല്യൂഷൻ പാർട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഡോട്ടർ ലൈനിട്ട് റെപ്രസെൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യുക. 5 കഴിഞ്ഞുള്ള പാർട്ട് ഇതേപോലെ ഡോട്ടർ ലൈൻ. എക്സ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ 5 മീൻസ് 5 കഴിഞ്ഞുള്ള കംപ്ലീറ്റ് പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് എക്സ് ഗ്രേറ്റർ ദാൻ 5 greater than x greater than 5, that is solution part which is greater than 5. Now we find the common solution part of these two inequalities. Already know this part is the common solution of these two inequalities, that is we darken here. Now we darken this solution part, which is the common solution part of these two inequalities. And she also given x greater than minus 5 and x greater than 5 also. So it's x greater than 5 means equal to illa. So here we form a blank round. That's all. So form a blank round. That means 5 is not considered. After we consider the point, that means 5.001 etc. all the solution part of these two inequalities. Okay, 5 കഴിഞ്ഞുള്ള complete real numbers two inequalities in the common solution part of. Okay, clear? That's all. Now on next video we will discuss step problems, some word problems based on these linear inequalities. That's all. Bye.